Welcome to your nighttime reset. This is not just another sleep video. This is the Sleep Toolbox, a healing space where your nervous system finally gets permission to let go. Because sleep isn't just about closing your eyes. It's about feeling safe enough to surrender. And if your body doesn't feel safe, sleep won't come, no matter how tired you are. You've probably tried everything: melatonin, sleep apps, white noise, blackout curtains. But if your nervous system is still in fight or flight, none of it works. This episode is your invitation to slow down, reconnect with your body, and build a sleep ritual that actually works because it's built on emotional safety, not just physical comfort. Welcome to the Sleep Toolbox. Let's start with a truth most people miss. Sleep is emotional. Your body won't relax if it doesn't feel safe. Your mind won't quiet down if it's still solving problems. And your nervous system won't release control unless it feels supported. Think about it. How often do you lie in bed, exhausted, but wired? Your thoughts race. Your chest feels tight. Your breath is shallow. You're tired, but your body doesn't trust the silence. That's not insomnia. That's emotional tension. And it needs to be met with compassion, not control. The Sleep Toolbox begins here, with the understanding that sleep is a relationship. Between your body and your environment. Between your emotions and your breath. Between your nervous system and your sense of safety. So, before we talk about tools, ask yourself, what am I still holding on to from today? What does my body need to feel safe tonight? What am I afraid to feel when everything gets quiet? Your nervous system has two modes: sympathetic, alert, active, protective. parasympathetic, calm, restorative, healing. Sleep only happens in parasympathetic mode. But most of us go to bed still stuck in sympathetic. We scroll, we worry, we replay conversations. We try to shut down, but our body is still on high alert. This is why sleep feels impossible. Because your body doesn't feel safe enough to let go. The Sleep Toolbox helps you shift. Not by forcing sleep, but by inviting safety. It's not about perfection. It's about permission. Permission to slow down. Permission to feel. Permission to rest. When your nervous system feels safe, sleep becomes natural. Not something you chase, but something you allow. Let's open the toolbox. These are not hacks. They're healing practices designed to help your body feel safe enough to sleep. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat for 2 to 3 minutes. This breath pattern activates your parasympathetic nervous system. It tells your body, we're safe now. You'll feel your heart rate slow, your shoulders drop, your mind soften. Place one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Feel your breath move. Say softly, I'm here, I'm safe, I'm allowed to rest. This simple touch reconnects you with your body. It reminds your nervous system that you're not in danger. You're present, you're supported. Before bed, write down everything you're afraid to feel. Not to fix it, just to name it. Your brain relaxes when it doesn't have to hold everything. Try this prompt. What am I still carrying from today? Let the words flow. No judgment. Just release. Your senses are gateways to safety. Use soft textures, blankets, pillows, clothing. Use calming scents, lavender, sandalwood, chamomile. Use warm lighting. Avoid harsh blue light. These signals tell your body you're safe here. They create an environment that supports rest. Repeat slowly. I release the day. My body knows how to rest. I am safe to let go. Say it like a lullaby. Let the words land in your body. Let them become your rhythm. Turn off screens 30 minutes before bed. Replace scrolling with stillness. Your nervous system needs less input, not more. Try reading, stretching, listening to ambient music. Let your mind transition gently. Stretch your arms, roll your shoulders. Rock side to side. Movement helps discharge tension stored in the body. You don't need a full yoga routine. Just gentle motion, enough to say, I'm letting go. These tools are your allies. They don't force sleep, they invite it. They create a space where your body feels safe enough to rest. Not every tool will work every night. That's okay. The Sleep Toolbox is not a checklist. It's a relationship with your body, with your emotions, with your nervous system. Some nights you'll need breath work. Other nights, journaling. Sometimes just silence. The key is consistency. Not rigid routines, but rituals of safety. Ask your body, what do you need tonight? Then listen. Then respond. Over time, your body will learn sleep is safe. Rest is allowed. You don't have to fight anymore. Sleep is not a battle. It's a surrender, and surrender only happens when your body feels safe. The Sleep Toolbox gives you the tools to create that safety, to calm your nervous system, to release emotional tension, to fall asleep faster and wake up feeling whole. So tonight, breathe, ground, let go. You're not broken. You're just overstimulated. And now you have a toolbox to come back home to yourself. Welcome to rest. Welcome to healing. Welcome to the Sleep Toolbox.